TOTU docking station, USB-C hub, 9-in-1, triple display docking station with Collage display mode, dual 4K HDMI, VGA 100 watt PD. Hi, welcome my friend. TOTU docking station, USB-C hub, 9-in-1, triple display docking station with Collage display mode, dual 4K HDMI, VGA 100 watt PD, 3 USB 3.0 and TF/SD card reader for Mac Pro, Air and Type-C laptops. Enjoy your home theater, and TOTU USB-C docking station will bring you the most excellent visual experience. 100 watt power delivery compatible, supports up to 100 watt pass-through charging so that you can power your laptop at full speed. Tips: power adapter is not included. The charging input depends on your home plug adapter and power limited of your USB-C ports. To get the product, you can click on the link below the video. Do not forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and activate the notification button. Thank you.